can see I'm getting started by tasting my Pillsbury flaky biscuits right onto my baking sheet. Then you're gonna pick it up and watch. With the flaky layers, you can start to separate that dough just like that, nice and easy. So you're gonna go ahead and separate it, and then you're gonna kind of widen it out and make it a little bit bigger just so we have a little bit more space and a little bit more room to work with. Then you'll set it right on down, right on your baking sheet. So go ahead and just separate those and bring that dough out a little bit, making them larger, going through, doing that to all of your biscuits. Ooh, we are in for a treat today. Great, so now once you have that, you're gonna separate them just like so. So that's kind of why we separated the flaky layers. So now we can pull them apart and we are about to fill them with some delicious goodness here. Of course, we're gonna need to start off with some cheese. Your cheese of choice, I'm gonna choose sharp cheddar. Honestly, I think about cheddar cheese a lot of times when I think about breakfast. I feel like that goes well, but you know, to each their own. I don't know, maybe you wanna share with us what you're gonna use in the comments. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna break this cheese up. I'm gonna put it right here into our biscuit. Easy peasy, you guys, moving right along here. Anyone can totally make this easy breakfast, and I'm just folding this cheese right in half. You decide how much you wanna put. I don't know, maybe I'm gonna add more cheese. I'm not sure yet, but so far this looks great. Then we're gonna stack that in with some sausage patties. This is so easy to do, you guys. And look at these sausage patties. If I can get this open, perfect. They fit perfect right there in the center. Look at that. These things are a home run right here. And not to mention, I do wanna say that they are great to be frozen. So if you make these and you want a quick, easy breakfast, you can make these and then you can put them in the freezer and they work fabulous, reheated. I love them. Okay, so we're gonna give this a go. I'm not really sure how this is gonna work out, but I know that you guys love these breakfast sandwiches, and the number one thing I feel like you say is, where's the egg, and put the egg inside. So I scrambled up some egg here, and to make my eggs nice and fluffy, I just put a little bit of water in there. Do you guys have a trick for your scrambled eggs? And look, I knew that this was gonna be a little bit difficult, but it looks like it's not too bad. I'm just kind of stacking on the scrambled egg right on top of this sausage patty. The key is are we going to be able to fit it inside, right? We want enough egg to make a difference, but not too much that we can't fit it inside. All right, that looks fine. Okay, look at, I think we're doing a pretty good job here. The truth is in the next step. All right, let's see. So when you come in, you're gonna wanna just kind of open up. Oh, look, that one fully came off. That's totally fine. If they separate, you're just gonna spread that out. That might actually work into our benefit, because then we can just tuck it right over. That might be the best way to do it, actually, because then you can just tuck over that dough. So if it comes unseparated, no worries. But check it out, actually, not that bad. Look at how easy that is. And it fits right over top just by a little stretch of the dough. So don't be afraid to stretch it. It's gonna be fine. And as it starts to kind of like get a little bit more up to that room temperature, it's gonna be easier to work with. So we'll just stretch that right over top, just sandwiching that in. I guess you could have put more cheese on if you wanted to, but I'm just gonna keep it like this. It looks like we are fully loaded over here to the max, right? So we'll just fold that all in. Oh yeah, this looks great. I cannot wait to eat one of these. Oh, we're having a little situation. I'm just gonna eat that one. Good. The eggs are great. Okay, so we'll just do this, sandwich this in, wham, bam, bada boom, bada bang. All right, perfect. You know, I'm just gonna use my little fork here to just seal in these edges. Honestly, sometimes I don't know what works better, a fork or your fingers. I was trying to combine fork and fingers together in one word there for a second. So are you using team fork or team fingers? I don't know. Normally I use my fingers for everything, and don't worry, they are clean. I do wash them. But for here right now, I'm just gonna use a fork, and mainly just because I really like that little crimping, and then it just kind of stays nice while it bakes, and it looks cute when it's after. So I'm gonna go through and do that to all of these, sealing in the eggs with the cheese and that sausage. Oh yeah, I'm hungry just thinking about it, man. My mouth is watering. Bringing in some final steps here, locking it in with some melted butter, of course, because I just can't do without it, right? Now, you can use an egg wash on this too if you want, and I was thinking about that, but then I kind of forgot and I used all my eggs in the scrambled eggs. So right now, if you want to do an egg wash, you can go ahead and do that. Just make sure you leave an egg. Don't use all of your eggs if you want to do that. Otherwise, melted butter works great, and you know what? You don't need anything. This is not a have to, right? This is just kind of dressing spiking it up a little bit and adding on to this delicious flavor of the biscuit, but no worries, right? You can always do without it. That's why I love these easy recipes. We're gonna follow it up with some everything bagel seasoning because, oh, look at that. I have a brand new thing of everything bagel seasoning. Okay, so you wanna get that ready to go and sprinkle that right on top. We're just kind of like back by popular demand here, you guys. I would say, I think that this is everyone's favorite seasoning. Tell me in the comments, am I right or am I right? Because I think everybody says, oh, look at that. Now the poppy seeds come out. I think everybody always says, top it with everything bagel seasoning. How funny is that? No poppy seeds for like the first two. Let's go back and get some on there. And then they decided to show up. Okay. All right. Well, that looks great to me, you guys. All we got to do now is pop these in the oven at 350. They're going to cook for about 13 minutes and stick around. You're in for a breakfast treat. Our biscuits are almost done, so we're gonna add 2 cups of cold water right into our saucepan. You'll follow it up with your favorite gravy. I'm gonna go with the Pioneer Country Gravy. That's always a home run for me. You'll just go ahead and dump that into the cold water and then definitely give that a mix until it bubbles. It'll start to boil and then get thick, and it's going to be super tasty. Ooh, we're gonna eat it with those biscuits. And of course, if you don't want the gravy, you don't have to make the gravy, but let me tell you what, it is so worth it. So I'm just gonna mix this all together until it starts to boil and get thick. And oh yeah, our biscuits are almost done, so stay right there. You are going to love these. Wow, look at these. My favorite, you guys. I absolutely love this easy breakfast, and it is such a winner every time. Look at how golden brown those are. They look absolutely fabulous. We have the perfect outside here, and I love the everything bagel seasoning. I'm gonna grab this one right here. This got my name written all over it. Look at that, perfection right there. Oh my gosh, that is a home run. I cannot wait to bite into this. You know, I think I'm just gonna actually rip it in the center first. Oh yeah, baby, look at that sausage and that cheese and all that egg right there inside of that handy dandy pocket. Wow, look at that cheese. Okay, now you know what? Before I dig into this, I'm gonna have David come over here and give these a try with me because you're gonna love these, babe. All right, so come on over here and don't forget, which I almost did, that we have that delicious gravy. So we're definitely gonna dip it in here. I'm gonna get myself ready here with this half here. I want this one, bigger half with the cheese, egg inside.
All right.
Okay, you're just gonna go all dunked in, huh?
Yep.
All right, go big or go home, he says. It might be a little hot. Ooh, the gravy's a little hot. Look at that sausage patty right in there.
Delicious. Oh yeah.
Best easy breakfast right here, you guys. Home run. Wow, here, set that over there. Man, we are definitely gonna finish these off. These are an absolutely amazing home run right here. The gravy definitely kicks it up a notch, you guys. What are you stuffing in your breakfast pockets? Don't forget, they're great in the freezer, and the recipe will be found in the comments, the link to my Substack. Thank you guys so much for being a part of this community. I'm gonna go because I need to scarf these down. They are fantastic. Let me know if there's anything that you're gonna do differently. We'll see you later. Enjoy.